Hey everybody, we're going to talk about the AirCross 100H6. This is a 100 PSI heated unit with a 6-gallon waste tank. This is great for spot cleaning in a commercial setting, or auto upholstery cleaning, auto detailing, or just general upholstery cleaning in a commercial job site or residential job site. It's a little bit larger than the alternative of a spot cleaner, not quite for carpet cleaning. I have heard of people using this for carpet cleaning, but I would not recommend it because 100 PSI, in my opinion, is just not sufficient for a good clean when it comes to carpet cleaning. So if you're watching this video and you're an auto detailer, this is probably going to be your go-to unless you're pumping out a lot of vehicles. Then you may want to go with one of the bigger extractors just so you're not changing water as much. But if you're only doing 1 or 2 vehicles at a time, this is a great unit to have. Getting into the components that come with it, you have a stainless steel upholstery tool, external jet. Great run-of-the-mill unit, very durable. This is made by Westpac. Plus the hose set, you've got the vacuum hose and solution hose that connect right to the machine, and everything is basically all ready to go when you get the machine. Setting these aside, this is the power cord here, nice bright yellow for safety, and then you have the machine. You can notice the height of the machine. It's also very light. One person can easily lift this into the back of a car, SUV, pickup truck, van, whatever you have. On the front side here, you have your vacuum inlet, you have your pressure outlet for your water pump, and then you have your power switches. So since this is a 100 PSI pump, this is your vacuum pump right there, on and off. H is the heat, on and off. And then 6 is just your 6-gallon waste tank. And then your last switch there is your vacuum. Very basic, very simple to use. You've got your waste lid here. So in order to clean out or rinse out your tank for your waste tank, that lid comes off. You have a latch on the front, caster wheels on the front, and then spinning this around on the back side, you have your wastegate dump and your power cord. So when you're cleaning and you're done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift this guillotine valve. All your wastewater is gonna come out of here, dump that into a slop sink, into a bucket, into a toilet, and then of course close that. I recommend trying to rinse this out when you're done too through the waste lid, because if any sand or grit gets in that little guillotine valve, this may drip and leak. So the more you keep this valve clean, the less you'll have drips on the carpet as you're moving your machine around. On the front side here, this is your freshwater inlet. So you can pour your fresh water in here with either your acid rinse or your detergent rinse or just plain water, whatever you prefer. Now getting into the inside of the machine, we have a quick release there. You can see this is the vac motor attached right to the bottom of the waste tank. This is the exhaust for the vac motor. And then of course you've got your hoses coming from your pump. You got your water pressure pump here, that's the 100 PSI pump. And then down in here is your heater. You got your water going in and out for the heater element. It's a very simple machine, simple to use, simple to maintain or repair if needed. Everything is very accessible. If you have to change the motor brushes, that's these orange parts here on the side of the vac motor, or if you have to replace the motor itself. Everything is very easy to get to, easy to use, easy to change, easy to maintain. When connecting power, rather than just attaching your cord there and then having it go to my outlet, I like to have my power cord come up, down through the handle, and then attach to here. That'll keep it to the side of the valve. Do what you like to do, and just create that system so that it makes it easy to use. There's also a little holder here, and then a holder here for a spotter. You can put a water bottle there, I suppose, but you know, it just makes it a little bit more convenient. If you have any questions about this machine, feel free to comment at the bottom of this video, and I'll be happy to answer the questions. And have a nice day. Take care.